Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give a multivitamin injection. First, gather all your essential supplies, including the multivitamin solution, a sterile syringe, 2 needles, one for drawing and one for injecting, alcohol wipes, and clean gloves. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Select a suitable injection site, like the deltoid muscle in your upper arm or the gluteal muscle. Make sure the multivitamin is at room temperature for a more comfortable experience. Next, let's prepare the medication. First, clean the rubber stopper of the multivitamin vial with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry completely. Attach a larger drawing needle, usually an 18 gauge, to your syringe. Pull back the plunger to draw air into the syringe, matching the exact dose you plan to inject. Insert the needle into the vial, inject the air, then invert the vial and carefully withdraw the precise amount of multivitamin solution. Now for the injection itself. Replace the drawing needle with a fresh, smaller needle, typically a 23 or 25 gauge, which is more comfortable. Clean the chosen injection site thoroughly with an alcohol wipe, moving outwards from the center. Gently pinch the skin around the site. Insert the needle quickly at a 90-degree angle for an intramuscular injection. Slowly and steadily push the plunger to administer the multivitamin, then smoothly withdraw the needle. After the injection, it's important to provide proper aftercare. Gently apply pressure to the injection site with a clean cotton ball or gauze for about 30 seconds. Avoid rubbing the area vigorously, as this can cause bruising or discomfort. Immediately dispose of all used needles and syringes in a designated sharps container to ensure safety. Finally, monitor the injection site over the next few hours for any signs of redness, swelling, or unusual pain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.